Hey guys, what did you just get into? Did you just get into the diaper bag and find the snacks? Jack, did you decide you needed to fatten your sister up? Hmm? Huh? Katie, you look like you're drunk on puffs. Okay, she may not want all the puffs. Okay. Jack, you don't want any puffs for yourself? Hmm? Did you guys get into the diaper bag and find some snacks? Uh-oh. What's that? Is Daddy testing the fire alarm? Yep. That's what he's doing. Hey guys, it's night-night time. It's not time for puffs, it's time to go night-night. You ready? Clearly not. Clearly you'd rather sit here and eat some more puffs. Do we not feed you enough? Hmm? Jack? Are those good? Katie? Let's not throw those all over the floor, okay? Yum. Are those good? Oh, you changed your mind. You're gonna have some more. Katie, are those good? Katie, can I have the rest of those? Let's put those away, babe. It's time to go night-night. Or are you gonna put them back in? Okay. Thanks. Thanks, babe. Let's put them all back. Yeah. Thanks. Good job. Can you put them all back? Let's put them all back inside. Or eat them. Okay.